Why do you need an approval other than just a pre-qualification? Hey, my name's Julie Sabby with eXp Realty. It can end up costing you thousands of dollars if you truly aren't qualified. We've helped several buyers from making a huge mistake when purchasing that could cost thousands of dollars. A pre-qualification is not a true approval. It is the initial step in the home loan process where you just discuss your financial situation with the loan officer, but nothing has been verified. The approval is where the buyer actually provides the lender with all the necessary documentation to tell them what they are approved for, which loan product is the best option for them, and give the buyer a better understanding of what the interest rate would be. You want to go through the entire approval process. The lender has done things like verified your employment, seen your taxes, looked at your bank statements. They've truly verified everything you will need in order to get qualified. And they'll be able to tell you how much of a loan you can get, payment will be. It's essential that you do this, otherwise you could stand to lose your initial deposit and any money that you have spent on things like an inspection or an appraisal. Don't fall into that trap. Call us and let us walk you through the safest and most strategic way to become a homeowner. Don't forget, you don't pay anything out of pocket to have an agent represent you. The seller has already negotiated that with their agent, and it comes out of those fees. We are here to protect your best interests.